we done with this property. Everything is done. Let's do a quick walkthrough. And then it's time to get ready to go here to the next property. The customer just called me this morning. I don't think we might have to come back and do. I think she's gonna want us to cut these trees. So we'll come back and do that. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Garage completely empty. That's the material that they're gonna use. It's done. House completely cleaned out.